In this editorial, we will discuss all the important words of this editorial as well as the theme of this editorial. So, let us start. Cooperative spirit. Cooperative. This word has been formed from cooperation, cooperative sector. It is neither private sector nor government sector. It is cooperative sector. So cooperative sector, what happens in cooperative sector? When a group of people come together to protect their interests. So generally in cooperative sector we see a lot of people share their resources and then they distribute the profits among them, and mainly the cooperative sector is formed for their own benefits. So cooperative spirit, spirit means you can say that enthusiasm. The new ministry should seek to be a catalyst. So recently what happened, a new ministry has been formed. A new ministry has been formed to supervise this cooperative sector. So editorial says that the cooperative sector is almost autonomous. The people who are working under cooperative sector, so you can say that they are an autonomous body, and now we are creating a new ministry to supervise this sector. So this ministry should not over control the cooperative sector. So this new ministry should seek means to desire something, a catalyst. You call something a catalyst if any element increases the process of something. If any element increases or makes active any process, it is called catalyst. So editorial says that the new ministry should work like a catalyst. It should encourage the cooperative sector and not the command center. The new ministry should not give many commands to the cooperative sector of the sector. Alongside the state and the market, cooperatives play a vital means very important. So editorial says that we have one side, and in that one side we have the government sector, we have the private sector, and along with them we have cooperative sector, and this sector also plays an important role in the country's development, but are seldom the focus of policy planning. But whenever our policy makers make any type of plan, they focus on private sectors, they focus on government sector, but hardly they focus on cooperative sectors. The creation of a new ministry to oversee. So now we are going to create a new union ministry to oversee. Oversee means to observe something, to have a close observation. To oversee the cooperative sector will redeem. Redeem means to get something back, it from negligence. So you can say that at present cooperative sector is under negligence, and we can save the cooperative sector from this negligence by creating this new union ministry according to the government. So according to the government has said that the new ministry will help the cooperative sector. Critics fear that this ministry is purposed to concentrate. Concentrate means to give your attention, even more powers in the hands of the center. But there are many critics who say that this ministry has been created to give more powers to the central government. Cooperatives are dominant in agriculture, credit and marketing. So there are so many fields, and in those fields cooperative sectors are dominant. Dominant means they are, you can say that they have much more influence in agriculture field, credit field and marketing field, but not limited to those. But okay, they agriculture, credit and marketing is their dominant area, but cooperatives are not limited to these areas. Some are big. IFFCO has around a third of the market share in fertilizer. So IFFCO, it is also it is also a cooperative sector. So IFFCO has around a third of the market share in the fertilizers. So total market share of fertilizers, and out of total, one third belongs to IFFCO. In milk, cotton, handlooms, housing, edible oil. Edible oil means the oil that can be eaten. Sugar, fisheries, they are formidable. Formidable means very powerful, है ना? Something or someone that is not easy to beat. So editorial says that these are the areas, है ना? And these areas are very powerful, है ना? And cooperative sector is working in these fields. As market conditions are evolve means if something is in the process of making, new things are coming out, it is called evolving. Cooperatives in states such as Kerala have got into complex operations, है ना? So what does editorial say here? That as the market conditions are evolving, है ना? So you can say that a lot of new things are coming out, as well as cooperative sectors are also getting indulged in these new sectors, like running IT park. What is information technology park? It is a very large area, and in that large area you make your IT office, you make conference hall, you make some laboratories, and so it is a very, you can say that, very vast area. So it is called IT park. So now IT parks are also being managed by the cooperative sector, and medical colleges are also being managed by cooperative sector. More avenues, here more avenues means there are a lot of ways, more scopes for expansion, है ना? You can spread something, such as insurance remain untapped. Untapped means unutilized, and so editorial says that there are still some fields like insurance, and the cooperative sector has not entered in this field or in these fields. And the regulatory regime must evolve in step. And now we are making a regulatory regime. Regime means any type of system. So now we are creating you can say that a new ministry. So this new ministry should be in step. When you are in step means you are in a harmonious condition. The legal architecture of the sector began evolving since 1904. So editorial said that. So the history of the cooperative sector, it started since 1904 under colonial rule, under Britishers rule. And in 2002, what happened in 2002? The Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act was passed. An act was passed in 2002, taking into account. Take into account means to consider something. The challenges arising out of liberalization. So when liberalization happened, then we faced so many challenges, and to tackle these challenges in 2002, Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act was passed. Considering means again taking into account, the fact, okay, it means seeing the fact that cooperatives fall in the state list of the constitution. If we go by constitution, then according to the constitution, the cooperative sector comes under the state list, and the center cannot make a law on this sector. The center will have to, now if the center wants to do anything with the cooperative sector, then it will have to make new laws. The center will have to innovate. Innovate means you can say that to make something, to discover something new. Innovate, to provide legal sanctity. When you sanctify something, you make that thing sacred for the new ministry. But the center wants to create the new ministry, and to create this new ministry, center needs to give a, you can say that, a legality to its work. A separate ministry can marshal. Marshal means to organize something, to put in a system. The diffused means something that is in a spread condition, spread, diffused capacity of the sector. However, so editorial says that a separate, if we create a separate ministry, then this separate ministry can organize, can marshal the spreaded capacity of the sector. So you can say that at present this sector is in a, you can say that is not in an organized way, and this ministry can organize it, this ministry can marshal it. That said, we use that said means after saying that this move will turn disastrous. If the disaster means if it creates trouble for you, if the attempt is to appropriate, here appropriate means to take control of something without permission, to take control of something without permission, is to appropriate the political capital of the sector. Editorial said that if politically the government, if the politically the government wants to take or to capture this sector, then this move is not good, which is significant. It is very important that the government, that the move of the government should not be to take the control of this sector. Cooperatives are not meant to operate by the market logic of maximizing profits. Okay, so in the government sector and in the private sector also, we try to get maximum profit, but in the cooperative sector, the people who have made their organization, so they have not made their organization for maximum profits, are meant to operate by, are not meant to operate by the market logic. So we cannot use the same principle which we use in the market of maximum, but to share the benefits to all stakeholders equitably. Equitably means you can say that properly, equitably, but to share the benefits to all stakeholders, those who are the stakeholders, those who have invested in cooperative sectors, so they should get the equal benefits. That's why we form cooperative sector. Though not uniform across India, not uniform. So the cooperative sectors are, you can say that in India, in whole of the India, but they are not uniform. Cooperatives have made significant contributions in poverty alleviation. Alleviation means you can say that to prevent, in preventing poverty they have played an important role. Food security, management of natural resources and environment. So in these fields we have got profits in these areas. So in poverty alleviation, food security, so in these areas cooperative sectors have played an important role. True. What is true? The sector has become an instrument of patronage and pilferage. Pilferage means to steal and patronage means to protect. If I protect something, it means I patronize that thing. So editorial said that there are, you can say that some cases are there like corruption and etc. Mismanagement are there, and corruption destroyed the sector in some states. So in some states, due to corruption, due to mismanagement, due to pilferage, so we saw that this sector also suffered, you can say that, some detrimental effects. The potency means the power of cooperatives as an apparatus, instrument of political control is personally known to Minister in charge, Mr. Amit Shah. Editorial said that Mr. Amit Shah, once president of a district cooperative bank. Mr. Amit Shah, who was once president of a district cooperative bank, he is well aware of that the cooperatives can be used as a tool of political control. Besides, in addition to serving localities and segment means a group that markets might ignore. So editorial says that cooperative sectors play an important role for serving localities and segments that markets might ignore. So sometimes the markets may ignore a particular field or particular area where the cooperatives becomes important. Cooperatives are also effective in mediating politics at the local level. So editorial says that cooperatives also help in local politics also, no, outside of the parliamentary system. Despite regulatory oversight by the RBI and states, and oversight means close observation. So RBI and states continuously observe these cooperatives, but still there is considerable means significant autonomy. Autonomy means if you control yourself, it means you are autonomous. Considerable autonomy for the sector, which is often misused. So editorial says that okay, cooperatives are managed or cooperatives are observed by the RBI and states, still they are, you can say that to some extent, or you can say that to larger extent, they are autonomous, and this autonomy is often misused. The remedy, then what is the solution? The remedy is not an overarching means when you try to control too much ministry and dictates means orders from Delhi. So editorial said that, so the remedy is not that we make a new ministry, or you can say that an overly tight ministry and we give continuous orders from Delhi. No, the premise means ground of a cooperative is that decisions are made by those affected by them. So editorial said that the main ground of a cooperative is that decisions should be made by the people who are being affected by cooperatives. The case for transparency and efficiency in the sector is strong. Editorial says that, but there must be transparency, there must be efficiency in this sector. This case is very strong, and that goal must be pursued. When you pursue something means you follow something, not by scaring. Scaring means to intimidate someone, the very soul of the sector, but by advancing the cooperative spirit. So editorial said that what is the soul of this sector? That this sector has been formed on the premise that decisions are made by those affected by them. So editorial said that we shouldn't take this power from cooperatives. So the government should work like a catalyst. The government should not play an important role in controlling cooperatives. The new ministry could indeed be a catalyst. So finally editorial says that the new ministry could indeed really be a catalyst. So the new ministry could work, or the new ministry can encourage this sector and can work like a catalyst, but it must not fashion itself as a command authority. But the new ministry should not show or should not demonstrate that it is trying to control this sector.